Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this hair dread extension on my hair. So this dread extension I got it from Nigeria, and it's handmade. So it's a combination of black and just like golden at the tip. So firstly I'm going to part the hair into bits. I just use a rubber band, to part the hair into like into bits. So you could make the dread extensions in different ways. You can actually, but I'm just going to show you just one way. So after using the rubber, then this is the dread extension, then this my crochet pin, then you put it, then this is the tip of the dread extension, then you bring it out. So if the patterns, if it's loose a little bit, if it's very loose, so you can actually make it tight just a little bit. Then I use a kinky extension, expression, just like an extension. It's a kinky expression. It can be used for twisting. You can use anything. You can use anything that can that can wrap the dread extension around your hair, if you understand what I mean. So you can use anything, but for this video I'm using a kinky extension. Then you just wrap the dread around your hair. So you just wrap it down. So you make sure you wrap your hair around the dread extension. If you like, you can just cut this, or you can just wrap it to the end. It's up to you. But for me, I just want to wrap it to the end. So if it's too tight for you, you can release it. You can make it less tight. And that's it. Then you just wrap it around just to make it smooth. And that's it. Then you do the same, you repeat the same process for all of the patterns. And that's it.